We now explore the goal based investing section, wherein we have various goals like My First Crore, emergency fund, tax saving, long term wealth, retirement, and park your spare money. Exploring the first goal, My First Crore, we now enter the monthly amount that we can invest. It then shows us a graph along with the time that it will take to reach our first crore, as well as recommended funds in order to achieve that goal of ours. Via which we can place SIP and lump sum orders in the desired fund. Moving on to the second goal, emergency fund, we can enter various inputs like our monthly income, monthly expenses, existing investments, and the expected return on fresh investments. Once we calculate, it shows us that we have an emergency fund which is recommended to us over here, and also ways in which we can achieve it in a time span of 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, and 15 months, along with the recommended funds in order to achieve that particular goal. Moving on to the next tax saving goal, we can enter the monthly amount that we can invest and for what period we want to invest. And once we calculate, it shows us our invested amount, the gain, and the maturity value, as well as the recommended funds in which we can invest to achieve our goal. In long-term wealth, we can achieve what is our target wealth amount. We can enter it over here, along with the time span in which we want to achieve it, along with the expected return on the investment. Once we calculate, it shows us the amount that we can achieve within the time span that we have selected, along with the amount that we need to invest monthly and the recommended funds in order to achieve the goal. In the retirement goal, we can enter inputs like our current monthly expenses, our current age, the age of retirement, and the life expectancy age. Then we can enter inputs such as our existing investment, expected rate of return on the existing investment, the expected inflation rate, expected rate of return until retirement. It auto calculates the projected monthly expenses at retirement and shows us the total corpus that we need at retirement along with the monthly amount to be invested and the recommended funds. We can also choose how much percentage our expenses will increase by every year, and it auto adjusts the retirement corpus according to this. In Park Your Spare Money, we have an knowledge section where it displays what exactly this goal does, along with how much we want to invest either monthly or one time, showing us the invested, gain, and maturity value amount and recommended funds in order to achieve this goal.